Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHFS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so you can go there and I'll explain in detail. Well, today was quite the eventful day, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. And a very, very shaky day. I'm not going to say that the entire chart is destroyed, but it's definitely looking shaky. And there is still perspective that comes into this. When I say the chart's not, totally destroyed. If you're some sort of day trader or flipper or scalper and you bought there, who knows, maybe you even bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 12 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks really bad. But from the grand scheme of it all, like I said, the chart certainly does look shaky. But is the chart totally destroyed? No, not quite. And this is where this area comes into play, in my opinion, at least next week, in terms of whether or not the chart, is totally destroyed or not. And that's right there at $1.15. Why is $1.15 so important? Well, I'm not saying this will happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price does come down to $1.15 and then just continues on down. From the big picture point of view, what would you have? Well, from a very literal standpoint, you'd have the price literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true bullishness or true strength. Whereas on the flip side, if the price does come down there, but behaves in that manner and starts to work its way back upwards, emphasis on big picture, because again, I realize if you're a day trader and you bought right there, you don't care about these, areas down here. But if the price were to do that, then you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set down there if you envision those as stair steps. Well, hey, now at least you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So $1.15, definitely a very important level. It's kind of like a dictionary, meaning it's helping us, classify what's going on. So is the price, quote unquote, going back to where it was? That associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress? That associated with bullishness. So $1.15, very important. A lot of people are going to be watching that, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching that area next week. So let's see if the price can actually stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.